All this week, the Sound of the South hosted a summer music and leadership camp for students in grades 7 through 12. This camp was designed to enhance students' experiences in their own band programs back home.
What we do is we hire out alumni, distinguished people or persons in their field to come in and sort of work on foundations and basics, and then we'll work through different skill groups from beginner, intermediate up to advanced, and people that are looking to continue into college. And I guess our point is to make their bands better when they get back in the fall semester.
The camp was broken down into the following groups: concert band, percussion, majorette, color guard, drum major, and dance line. Each camp provided specific and professional instruction to each student.
Well, they have essentially class during the day, and at night, starting on Monday, we have an evening activity. Like the first night this year was a movie night in Crosby Theater. Second night's usually a dance, and then the last night has usually been like a talent show or a sort of the Band Olympics, which is sort of like a field event in the stadium.
And at the end of camp, the Sound of the South hosted a show and award ceremony for the students to showcase what they had learned.
Today we're having our cumulative performance for our summer leadership camp, and groups that will perform will be the concert band, drum line, drum major, color guard, and majorettes and dancers. So this is a culmination of everything that we're working on this week, and sort of a showcase performance. And the directors, extended family, and high school staff are here to see.